Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome back. Today is part 4 of our storm chase scene. Today we're going to be finalizing everything and buttoning everything down. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Also, remember today's image comes from Kathy Taft one last time. Thank you very much, Kathy. Also, if you have not been over to my website yet, please make sure you go ahead and go visit that. I've got t-shirts, puzzles, prints, all sorts of stuff for you to get. And now we're just going to get right into the final episode. So today is all about details. So for that, mostly I'm going to be using a very small angle brush, and I'm going to be using some yellow ochre, a little bit of burnt sienna, some Mars black, a little bit of titanium white, and some green, just various colors just to get some more details in here. I'm going to be just filling it up with some trees, some grass, a little bit of everything. I went off the reference image as best I could. I made one artist exception where I did not paint and add the tree right in the foreground. I felt that it was just blocking part of the scenery that I didn't want it to. I debated on whether I wanted to move it over to the side and still add it in, but in the end, I just decided to leave it out. After shading in parts of the bushes in the foreground, I went ahead and went back through with a lighter color of green and just added in some more highlights, and that really helped bring out the depth in the front there. There were these spots in the picture where there was some yellow that really stood out to me, so I decided to go in there with some cadmium yellow mixed in with a little bit of yellow ochre and a tiny bit of titanium white to really bring out that yellow color. And later on, I'll go through and add a tree that has a lot more yellow in it, and they really stand out. So here I'm going to paint the first tree, and I'm going to use a very small fan brush to do this. And these trees, man, they really stand out. And then I'm going back through here and adding in a little bit more shade to the front, add a little bit more layering to it. It really helps bring it all together. For the last bit of detail, we're going to add in the phone poles that you can barely see that fade off into the distance, and then there's two headlights right in front of the mountains. And with those being done, then we can finally sign it and be done. Well, this has been an amazing experience. I have thoroughly enjoyed painting from this reference image, and if you've been following along, then you should have something somewhat close to this. This came out gorgeous, and I could not be happier. If this is your first time here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, hit that like button and share with all your friends and family. It really helps me out. Right now, I could really use the subscriptions. And with that said, we will see you in the next episode.